Hello guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. In this video, I will show you some excellent visual anatomy tools for exploring human body. This is for professionals and students and teachers and who want to explore human body virtually. So in this video, I will show you 3 interactive 3D anatomy tools which you can explore right now for free. Number 1. Zygote Body. It's a 3D anatomy online visualizer. Zygote Body has continued its development and you will find the same detailed 3D models of the human body. The visual anatomy tool works in any browser with WebGL that makes it possible to render interactive 2D and 3D graphics. You can view basic anatomy layer by layer with this tool. You can click, drag or rotate the human 3D model to view anatomical structures. The search box is also a quick way to jump to specific parts of the human body. This is a free light version. This is very useful for viewing basic male and female anatomy. But if you want more than this, you have to go with paid subscription. But my suggestion is free plan is more than enough. In this free plan only we can explore every part and each part of the human body. Number 2. Anatomy learning. You can use the anatomy learning in your smartphone or in your PC. In your smartphone, you can use the Android app available in Play Store. In your PC, you can open through the browser. Open it in a WebGL enabled browser like Chrome, then interact with the specific part of the human anatomy by rotating the 3D dimensional models or zooming into the parts. Anatomy learning showcases 6000 plus anatomical structures. Guided learning helps you study the human body layer by layer. Viewing the underlying body parts is as easy as adding or subtracting each layer from the 3D model. This website or app is very useful for the teachers who are teaching their students about these subjects. I think this is the most practical way to teach the students rather than book and explaining on the board. If any teachers watching this video, you can show this website to your students so that they can learn very easily. You can show them the human body very clearly by structure, and even though it is helpful for teachers also to explain the structure by structure more clearly and more efficiently. Number 3. E-Skeletons. E-Skeleton isn't only about understanding human anatomy, it is an interactive tool that enables a students to view the bones of both human and non-human primates, and to learn more about them from the site's anatomical database. A mouse over on the skeleton selects a specific bone for a closer look. You can look into things like morphology and articulations. A QuickTime movie gives a 3D view of the specific skeleton part. eSkeletons is a University of Texas initiative. Think of it as an online anatomy museum. In fact, one of the links on the site will take you to a separate site on Lucy, the world's most famous fossil. In this website, you can see almost all reptiles and fossils and humans and non-humans, everyone structures, everyone bones. Once you can visit the website and you can explore the things you have never seen it before. You can go through the description. I will provide all the links in the description. I hope you like this video. If you think that you got some information from this video, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed.